This video is brought to you by
Problem number 14 from
thepuzzler.com.
the AMC 10A, which was also number 10 of the 12A. How many ways are there to split the integers 1 through 14 into 7 pairs so that in each pair the greatest number is at least 2 times the lesser number? Okay, so for this problem, the key insight is that we have 8 through 14 can only, or they have to all be in separate pairs. The numbers 8 through 14 can never be the lesser pair in any of like the 7 pairs, right? Because then the other number would have to be at least 2 times that number, which is impossible. So we have that 8 through 14 should all be separate. So if we write it out, we would get 8, this, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, and okay. So now the 7, well, the only number that's 2 times the 7 is 14. At least 2 times 7 is 14, so 7 was still here. What about the 6? So the 6 can either go into the 12 or the 13. So it has two choices for where it can go. Regardless, the 5 can either go in the 10 or the 11 or whichever number out of the 12 or the 13 is left, right? So there's 4 choices. One of them is going to be taken by the 6. So the 5 is going to have 3 choices left. What about the 4? Well, the 4 has all these choices, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 choices, out of which the 5 and the 6 have already taken 2 of them. So the other 4 choices work. Now the 3 has 3 choices left, but no constraints, right? And 2 only has 2 choices left, and finally the 1 would have the last choice left. That's it. We can multiply these out to give us 24 times 6, which gives us 144. So our answer is E, and just like that, we're done.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked or enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a like and subscribe to our channel. For more amazing content, you can check out thepuzzler.com.